In this video, I will show you how to mount ISO disk image files in Windows 11. First things first, locate the ISO file that you want to mount. This could be something you've downloaded from the internet or perhaps created yourself from a physical disk. Once you've found your desired ISO file, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Mount. This action mounts the ISO disk image and opens a new window displaying its contents. To access your mounted ISO later, simply open this PC, where you'll see your newly mounted drive listed among your other drives. You can double-click this drive just like any other folder to explore its contents or run any setup files directly from here. When you're finished using the mounted ISO and want to unmount it, return to either this PC, or find the original ISO file again. Right-click on it once more. From the same context menu, select Eject, and just like that, your virtual drive will be removed from this PC. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to mount and unmount ISO disk image files in Windows 11. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.